A lot of people feel like they're in a hamster wheel, just running in circles. What if we could tell you that there's a way to escape that wheel? Not just for you, but for your family and for generations to come. How do you do that? By investing.
A lot of people think investing is only for people who already are starting with a lot of money, but that simply isn't the case. And you don't have to be connected to someone that's already in that world either.
Let me tell you the story of our channel mascot, Peanut Lunch. Peanut Lunch is a sweet peanut butter sandwich that is just like you and me, except he's a peanut butter sandwich. He had a normal family, but tragedy struck when at age 10, his dad died. He started working on a golf course as a caddy to help support his family, and he was only 11 years old. On the golf course, he heard tips about investing and what stocks to pick. When he was a teen, he bought his very first stock, and it tripled. Excited by this new knowledge that he got from the golf course, he went and got his degree in finance. After he got his finance degree, he landed an internship at Fidelity Investments. He worked his way up as a researcher, and by age 33, he was selected to manage the Jelly Fund. Peanut Lunch turned 18 million into 14 billion with a B. His average returns were almost 30% a year. Peanut Lunch didn't come from money. He didn't have a rich uncle. He just paid attention, learned, and was curious. And he did what he had to survive and support his family. This story is not truly about a fictional peanut butter sandwich, but instead about an investing legend that was able to change his family. And he even retired at 49 years old.
Peter Lynch didn't have a silver spoon. He had a caddy bag, and he stayed curious, and he believed that wealth wasn't just for a few people, that anyone could achieve it. He started from absolutely nothing and was able to achieve massive wealth. Through investing, anyone can build massive wealth by starting from nothing, just like Peter Lynch did.
Maybe you don't care about being wealthy. You just want to change your family tree or even change the world. Investing is the best fields to be able to do this.
In the 1990s, Elon Musk founded two companies and sold them for around $450 million. He could have retired. He could have sailed off into the sunset and never been heard from again. But Elon Musk realized there was a real issue happening in the world, a twofold problem. One, fossil fuels isn't sustainable. Eventually, we're going to run out of them. And two, a massive byproduct of fossil fuels is the climate warming. So he decided to do something with his money through investing to solve this problem. He bought into Tesla when it was basically just a concept and poured almost every single last dollar of his wealth into the company to keep it going through the 2008 financial crisis. And Tesla has almost single-handedly pulled the EV market into existence, which has a huge impact on climate and transitioning the world away from fossil fuels. Elon Musk didn't just invest to get rich. He invested to change the world.
Money doesn't just buy things, it buys possibility. Elon Musk shows us that investing not only can change your future, but can change everyone else's too. Investing can really change the world.
A lot of people feel like perhaps investing is something they missed out on. The joke is, oh, when I was in nappies, I should have been buying houses. But investing isn't something that you've missed out on. If you start today, you can still build family-changing and world-changing wealth.
We've talked about some famous people and some investing legends, but now I want to tell you the story of my own brother, Jacob. He started with $20,000 that he had saved up and earned, and he started investing. There are always new opportunities and new companies to invest in that you can get excited about and how they might change the world and how you can help them do that. We didn't grow up with a ton of money. He never got a degree in finance or any degree at all. All that he did was that he was hungry to learn and he was curious, and he learned from some of the most famous investors, going to people who actually made a difference and seeing what they did and seeing how he could replicate it. He didn't wait for permission. He just kept showing up, making mistakes as he went and learning from them. He has built real returns. He owns the home that we're in now, and he's able to employ me and two of our other siblings. He has become a millionaire. With this money, he hasn't just hoarded it all to himself. He's used it to create this channel. He wants to help you and me create wealth for the future of the world. The crazy part is, if you asked him, he would say he's still just getting started.
You don't need a finance degree. You don't need to be perfect. You just have to believe that your future is worth investing in. My brother did, and it changed his life. And he only started 6 years ago. And the opportunities are still everywhere. You didn't have to get started 20 years ago when you're in your nappies. You can get started today. Now that you have the desire to invest, maybe you're still scared about, what if I lose my money? What stocks do I buy? That's totally fine. You're in the right place. This channel is all about investing, how to invest.
Change your future and your family tree by watching our Investing for Beginners series. If there's a concern that you have about investing that we didn't address in this video, go ahead and leave us a comment and we would love to respond to you or even make more videos answering your concerns and helping you decide if investing is truly for you. If you have debt, make sure that you watch our Financial Fortress video first before Investing for Beginners series.
Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe.
Should I say why it matters?
Yeah.
Why does this matter?
Oh, no. I thought you were saying that section, not actually the words.
Oh.
Peanut lunch! Sick.